My name is Gavi. I am studying 7th standard. My school name is Educate School. Subject science. Topic transport of heat.
Start.
I take 2 bricks and 1 rod. I fix few wax pieces on rod. Let's eat the rod for 3 or 4 minutes.
Start.
We we wax pieces of wax pieces of burn.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
Thank you.